First tonight, after 2.5 days of questions, a jury has now been seated for the trial against Karen Sypher.
And tonight we are learning more about the people who will decide Sypher's fate in a few weeks as she stands trial for allegedly trying to extort $10 million from the Cardinal head basketball coach Rick Pitino. WHAS 11's Melanie Kahn is live outside the federal courthouse with our top story tonight here at 5. Melanie?
Well, Doug, it took 2.5 days, but now the 16 people who have been chosen to serve on this jury will not be able to watch any television news or read any newspapers until this trial is over. And even though this process has been extremely thorough, the question now is this jury impartial? 8 men and 8 women will make up the jury in the case against Karen Sypher. All 12 jurors and 4 alternates endured 2.5 days of questioning after filling out a 23-page questionnaire with sensitive questions on issues like abortion, rape, sexual assault, and extramarital sexual relationships. Attorney Poppe, who is not involved in the Sypher case, tells us that's a good thing.
The use of questionnaires has been proven to more readily identify potential prejudices, potential biases, and things of that nature. And I think that the Sypher case is a good example of that, because I doubt that you would have found many people in open court to say the things with 50 or 60 other people around that some of the people allegedly said in their questionnaires about Ms. Sypher and about Mr. Pitino.
Sypher's attorney told the court that most of the potential jurors made derogatory statements about Sypher in those questionnaires, many referring to her as a, quote, gold digger, crazy, untrustworthy, and greedy. But did the jury selection process put Sypher at a disadvantage? Poppe says no.
Here, Ms. Sypher has gotten the benefit of a 30-page questionnaire plus 3 days of questioning by her lawyer in the court. So I think that this is a benefit to her, that she's going to have more knowledge about these jurors than most defendants in a case would.
So can Sypher get a fair trial here in Louisville? We'll tell you what her attorney says, as well as other attorneys here, coming up tonight on WHAS 11 News at 6 o'clock. Live at the federal courthouse, Melanie Kahn, WHAS 11 News.